Hi, this is Marshall Cohen. When you're considering bankruptcy, it's really hard to figure out which lawyer to hire. On the face of it, all lawyers look alike, and there are so many ads on TV and radio offering low prices. When you're stressed financially, it seems easy to jump at the lowest price that's quoted to you. Unfortunately, the lowest priced lawyer can sometimes be a really expensive mistake. Bankruptcy is probably the most far-reaching, most detailed, and most important audit of a person's finances that they may ever go through. The entirety of your financial life is laid bare before the bankruptcy court. If the audit isn't done correctly, if the lawyer doesn't work with you to prepare the bankruptcy correctly, the results can be disastrous. It's up to the lawyer, not the lawyer's assistant, not the paralegal, not anyone else who works in the office, but it's the lawyer's responsibility to give you the time to make sure that the bankruptcy is done correctly. What makes us unique, I think, is a couple of things. First of all, I've been practicing consumer bankruptcy law for over 29 years. In that time, not only have I handled a great number of cases, but I've handled a great depth of cases. I've handled cases involving businesses, complex tax issues, divorce issues, and some very touchy family financial situations. When you combine this experience along with our knowledge of the law and the time and attention that we give to each client, we're going to provide you all the time you need. We're going to listen to our client, to you, to make sure that we understand what's important for you in the outcome of this case. We're going to sweat the details. We're going to make sure that we give your case the time and attention it deserves for a good outcome. And it's our goal to provide the best legal outcome for our client at the lowest overall possible cost. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. When a person files bankruptcy, it's important for the attorney to set out for the bankruptcy court those things that the client is allowed to keep when they go through the bankruptcy. These are called your exemptions. There's an exemption that is available to clients in their wages that we use routinely in our law practice. And this can allow a client to sometimes keep thousands of dollars in their bank account that they otherwise would not be allowed to keep. Unfortunately, lawyers who are not versed with the law, who don't pay attention to detail, routinely miss this exemption, costing you thousands of dollars. So even though that lawyer may have quoted you a very low price to file the case, in the end, it may have cost you far more than it would have cost if you hired our firm to begin with.